Welcome to your Profitable Law Firm podcast. I'm Kelly Brubaker, your dedicated host, passionate about empowering law firm owners. Let's dive into the hidden strategies that lead to overflowing profits, scaled growth, and thriving lives. This is where overwhelm transforms into confidence, enabling you to create and enjoy your dream firm and your dream life. Law firm owners, there is no doubt that you're an amazing attorney. Your clients routinely tell you how grateful they are to have you in their corner. But how are you doing managing the business aspects of your firm? Do you worry about having enough money to make next week's payroll? Are you frustrated that money is just not coming in fast enough? Do you lose sleep over questions like, when is it time to hire another employee? Or why are you never able to reach $1 million in revenue despite working like a dog? I imagine you did the right things when you opened your firm, including hiring a bookkeeper and a tax guy or a tax girl. And now you're frustrated because when you ask either of them a question, they give you reports with little explanation. So here's a secret. Bookkeepers are only focused on recording the transaction history in your firm's books. Most bookkeepers do not know how to translate the detailed transactions they're recording into actionable insights. And it's not their fault, it's just not what they've been taught to do. And tax accountants are focused on getting your tax return prepared and filed. That's where a CFO comes into play. A CFO is your missing link to make everything make sense. Let's dive deep into the strategies and insights our CFO services provide. The strategies and insights you need to unlock the full potential of your law firm's success. As your CFO, we will guide you through the essential steps to take control of your firm's financial destiny, empowering you to navigate the complexities of business management with confidence and clarity. Whether you're struggling to keep money in the bank, feeling overwhelmed by analysis paralysis, or facing obstacles on the path to growth, we're here to provide the guidance and support you need to thrive. Join me as I embark on a journey to show you how to master your profitable law firm and pave the way to lasting financial success. In the legal world, profitability isn't just a goal, it's the lifeblood that keeps the law firm thriving. But all too often, there are a few common problems lurking beneath the surface. There's never enough money in the business bank accounts. But don't fret, that's why the first step in our CFO services journey is what we call the path to profit. Path to profit is about addressing the root of the problem. Why, despite your firm's success, there's a perpetual struggle to keep money in the bank. You are burned out and overwhelmed from working tirelessly, taking on case after case, but when it comes time to pay the bills or invest in growth, the funds just aren't there. It's a frustrating cycle that many law firms find themselves trapped in. But fear not, because the solution lies in mastering a simple system that guarantees profit and ensures a healthy balance in your business checking account. Our approach begins with a comprehensive assessment of your firm's current financial health. We dive deep into your income, expenses, and cash flow to identify areas of improvement and untapped potential. We'll show you why what you've been doing does not work. More revenue rarely results in more money in the bank. Whether it's inefficient expense management, inconsistent billing practices, or missed opportunities for profitability, we leave no stone unturned. From there, we craft a tailored roadmap for your firm, outlining the best use of incoming money to maximize profitability and ensure a healthy financial future. At Profit Scale Thrive, we understand the unique challenges that law firms face. That's why we've developed our CFO services to help you break free from the chaos and achieve sustainable growth. Our second step in the CFO services journey is what we call order from disorder. It's about regaining control of your firm's financial performance by monitoring the right key metrics. I know what happens. In the fast-paced world of law firms, it's easy to get caught up in the chaos of day-to-day operations. Client work always comes first, right? When you finally do get to sit down and look at your numbers, you have no idea what the numbers even mean. You feel lost, like you're drowning in a sea of numbers. trying to make sense of your profit and loss statement, but the more you analyze, the more confused you become. It's a frustrating cycle that hinders your firm from reaching its full potential, and it's called analysis paralysis. The answer is to monitor your key metrics. So, together, we'll determine your best key performance indicators, or KPIs, for your firm. Metrics that provide actionable insights into your financial health and performance. And here's the secret: the profit and loss statement was created by CPAs for CPAs. It wasn't meant for small business owners. That's why instead of drowning in a sea of data, we'll help you break up with your profit and loss statement and focus on the metrics that truly matter. Once you have the right KPIs in place, you'll no longer feel overwhelmed by data. Instead, you'll have a clear understanding of your firm's financial performance. Think of each KPI as having 2 to 3 levers. Levers that we will teach you how to pull and when to pull in order to achieve your target KPIs. In the journey of building a successful law firm, obstacles are inevitable. Yet for many firm owners, it's not the obstacles themselves that hinder progress, but rather the way they let those roadblocks derail their momentum. That's why we've developed our CFO services to provide the guidance and accountability needed to achieve your goals. Our third step in the CFO services journey is what we call scaling up. It's about breaking through the barriers that stand between you and your firm's success and forging ahead with clarity and confidence. You've set ambitious goals for your firm, but every time you encounter a setback, it feels like you're taking 2 steps back for every step forward. It's a cycle of frustration that can leave you feeling overwhelmed and discouraged. At this pace, your goals seem impossible to reach. Instead of letting obstacles derail your progress, we'll provide the guidance and accountability you need to stay on track and achieve your goals. Together, we'll define your firm's long-term goals, from revenue targets to market expansion strategies and more. We will develop a game plan to reach those goals. All goals will be broken down into smaller milestones, making them easier to tackle. And with Profit Scale Thrive by your side, you'll always know the next steps to take to keep moving forward, even in the face of adversity. Once you have a handle on your cash flow and you're looking at the right numbers to make database decisions, you will enjoy stability in your firm. Meaningful growth comes when you keep your finger on the pulse of your firm's key metrics. Scaling or controlled growth, when done profitably, will let you sleep every night like a baby. When your firm starts running on all cylinders, the results are tangible money in your bank account. If you are ready for the stability, growth, and peace of mind that you deserve in your law firm, schedule a curiosity call with Profit Scale Thrive today at www.profitscalethrive.com/contact. If you have any questions about today's episode, feel free to comment if you're watching on YouTube or send me an email to podcast@profitscalethrive.com. If you know someone who might need to hear this information, please share this episode with them. Or if you're on YouTube, tag them below. Be sure to follow and subscribe to get notifications for future episodes. Did you enjoy this episode? Please consider leaving a review. And before I go, remember, profit is something you intentionally plan for in the beginning. It's not a potential bonus at the end of the year. Thanks and have an amazing day.